Welcome to Viet Flavors. Today we're making Savoury-Smoky Beef Chow Fun, a Cantonese classic known as Gan Chow New Hay, meaning dry fried beef with wide rice noodles. Born in Guangzhou and beloved across Hong Kong diners, it's traveled through Vietnamese-Chinese kitchens, where fresh rice noodles, quick wok frying, and that elusive wok hai give it its signature flavor and texture. You'll need 500 grams fresh wide rice noodles, also known as ho fan or ho fun. Note that you can use different types of rice noodles to make this dish. However, I chose fresh wide rice noodles, which are widely available in most Asian supermarkets. There's no need to soak or boil them beforehand, making the cooking process faster and easier. 400 grams beef flank or sirloin, 150 grams bean sprouts, 4 stalks green onion, half medium yellow onion. Here, I used red onion as I ran out of my yellow onions. 1 tablespoon freshly minced garlic, 4 tablespoons vegetable oil, for the beef marinade, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon oyster sauce, 2 teaspoons sesame oil, 1 teaspoon cornstarch, plus a splash of water. For the stir-fry sauce, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon sugar, half a teaspoon white pepper. Let's start by preparing the beef first. Slice the beef thinly against the grain. This way, we shorten the muscle fibers, making the meat much more tender and easier to chew. Now add 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon oyster sauce, 2 teaspoons sesame oil, 1 teaspoon cornstarch, and a splash of water. Oops, I poured in a little more water than I intended, but it's still okay. Mix well and rest for at least 15 minutes for a tender, silky finish. While the beef is marinating, let's prepare the other ingredients. Cut the green onions into thin strips about 5 centimeters long. Thinly slice the onion. In a small mixing bowl, add 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon sugar, and half a teaspoon white pepper. Mix well and set aside. And that's it. We're done with the prep. Time to cook. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a very hot wok until shimmering. Sear the beef quickly, just to about 90% cooked. Remove and keep the juices. We'll use them in the final toss. Wipe the wok, then add the remaining 2 tablespoons of oil. Stir-fry garlic and onion until fragrant and just translucent. Add the noodles to the wok, followed by the bean sprouts, then pour in the stir-fry sauce. Gently lift and fold to coat everything without breaking the noodle strands. Return the beef and any juices to the wok, then add in the green onions. Toss on high heat for about 30 seconds to build flavor and that hint of smoky char. Wow, the aroma from this wok is absolutely incredible. Don't overcook this dish. Keep the noodles chewy and intact, and the beef and veggies fresh and vibrant. High heat, quick toss, then off the heat. Plate it up while steaming hot. Chewy noodles, tender beef, savory smoky sauce, and a fresh, crunchy finish. That's Beef Chow Fun Viet flavor style. If you enjoyed this recipe, like, subscribe, and comment with what you want us to cook next. Thanks for watching Viet Flavors. See you next time.